In this video, I will show you how to use your phone as a camera in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So first, what we need to do is to go to the settings. So let's go to settings. And now here we need to go to the Bluetooth devices. Here you will be able to find this setting. So we need to go here to mobile device. And now we need to open phone link. You will need to also install this app in your mobile phone, and you will need to link your phone with your computer. So to link your device, this is pretty easy. You just need to click here to manage device, and just click on here to add a device, and you just need to scan this QR code with your mobile phone with the app, and you will be able to link the mobile phone with the computer. So once you have the app installed in your mobile phone and also using the same account, we just now need to go to open phone link. So now, as you can see here, this is my mobile phone. This is connected, so this is working. So we can just also already close this app. And now what we need to do is to go to any app that uses a camera. So for example, let's open the camera. Now, as you can see, this will ask in my phone to use the camera. So we need to open the app in the mobile phone, and they will start using your camera. So now, as you can see, this is my phone. I'm just using now my phone as a camera. So you can use this. You don't need to even be in the same Wi-Fi. You can use this from wherever you want. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. That's everything. Thank you for watching.